Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting new compact SUVs of the year, the Geely Cityray 2025. Geely has been gaining serious attention worldwide, and the Cityray is a perfect example of why. It blends modern design, smart technology, and impressive value into one attractive package. So let's explore what makes this SUV stand out. First impressions matter, and the Geely Cityray 2025 definitely knows how to turn heads. With its bold front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and dynamic body lines, this SUV looks futuristic and sporty at the same time. The coupe-style roofline gives it a sleek silhouette, while the aggressive grille and sculpted sides add a premium feel. Simply put, it doesn't just look like a budget-friendly SUV, it looks like a vehicle from a much higher price bracket. Now, stepping inside, the story gets even better. The interior of the Cityray is designed with a driver-focused layout and a sense of minimalism, but without cutting corners. At the center of the cabin, you'll find a large infotainment touchscreen paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Both are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Geely's own intelligent OS. Comfort is also a highlight. The seats are supportive, wrapped in premium materials, and there's plenty of space for both passengers and luggage. Ambient lighting, soft-touch panels, and modern design elements create an upscale atmosphere that's sure to impress. But a stylish interior is only part of the story. Let's talk performance. The Geely Cityray 2025 is expected to come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering a solid balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the Cityray offers a confident ride, whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on longer trips. For eco-conscious buyers, Geely is also preparing hybrid and possibly full electric variants, showing their commitment to greener mobility. Safety is another key selling point. The Cityray is packed with advanced driver assist features. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, and autonomous emergency braking, features usually found in higher-end vehicles. Combined with Geely's strong reputation for safety, the Cityray gives you peace of mind behind the wheel. Now let's talk about technology. The infotainment system includes AI-powered voice commands, over-the-air updates, and customizable driving modes. The Cityray also integrates with Geely's latest smart ecosystem, meaning your car can connect to your phone, your home devices, and even upcoming mobility services. This is a car built for the future, but one of the biggest reasons people are excited about the Cityray 2025 is its value for money. Compared to rivals like the Toyota CHR, Honda HR-V, or Hyundai Kona, the Geely Cityray offers a similar or even better package at a significantly lower price. For younger buyers, families, or anyone wanting a stylish yet affordable SUV, this makes the Cityray a very tempting choice. On the road, the Cityray feels smooth and well-balanced. The suspension absorbs bumps comfortably, the steering is light but accurate, and overall handling is stable. It's the kind of car that gives you confidence whether you're driving around town or cruising on the highway. So, what do you think about the Geely Cityray 2025? Could this be the SUV that changes how we see affordable cars? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews of the latest 2025 and 2026 cars.